Hello, everyone. Welcome to Spanish from Zero. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the members of the family, like the father, the mother, the brother, the uncle, etc. So let's start. La familia. La familia. The family. Okay. Here you can see the family tree. This is me, yo, and like here, my parents, el padre. El padre, the father. La madre. La madre, the mother. Then if we go up, the grandparent here. El abuelo. El abuelo, the grandfather. La abuela. La abuela, the grandmother. Let's go here. The brother and the sister of the mother, or the brother and the sister of the father. El tío. El tío, the uncle. La tía. La tía, the aunt. Now let's go to the siblings, the brothers and sisters. El hermano. El hermano, the brother. La hermana. La hermana, the sister. And here, el marido. El marido, the husband. De, of, mi hermana, my sister. The husband of my sister. El marido de mi hermana. Let's go to their kids. La sobrina. La sobrina, the niece. El sobrino. El sobrino, the nephew. And for the cousins, the male cousin is el primo. El primo. The female cousin, la prima. La prima. Let me repeat. El abuelo, grandfather. Abuela, grandmother. Padre, father. Madre, mother. Tío, uncle. Tía, aunt. Hermano, brother. Hermana, sister. Sobrina, niece. Sobrino, nephew. Primo, prima, cousin. Male cousin, female cousin. Now let's move to the next family tree. Here, yo, me. Okay, as a girl, my husband, or the husband, el marido. If this is a guy, then la mujer, the wife, the woman. Now, let's see the sister and brother-in-law. El cuñado. El cuñado, brother-in-law. La cuñada. La cuñada, sister-in-law. Let's see father and mother-in-law. El suegro. El suegro, father-in-law. La suegra. La suegra, mother-in-law. Now, let's go down. My son and my daughter. Let's see. El hijo. El hijo. The son. La hija. La hija. The daughter. Now, let's see. The daughter will bring a son-in-law, her husband, which will be for me el yerno. El yerno. Son-in-law. Let's go here. This is the son. This is his wife. She will be according to me and the husband. Okay. La yerna. La yerna. La yerna. Daughter-in-law. And now let's go to the grandchildren. La nieta. La nieta. La nieta. La nieta. Granddaughter. El nieto. El nieto. Grandson. Let's repeat. Suegro, father-in-law. Suegra, mother-in-law. Cuñado, brother-in-law. Cuñada, sister-in-law. Yerna, daughter-in-law. Hijo, son. Hija, daughter. Yerno, son-in-law. Nieto, grandson. And nieta, granddaughter. And don't forget, el marido is the husband. La mujer, she's like the wife. And they used la mujer is like the woman of that person. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and to share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye.